Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I love to burn candles, and I'm always super excited when I find one that smells incredible and that is well made. Azure Breeze makes really beautiful candles. From the packaging itself, I was so impressed with how gorgeous this arrived to me. So this would really make a beautiful gift. You know it's going to come wrapped beautifully. And then inside there's a ceramic jar with the candle that sits inside the packaging. So really thoughtful touch there. It lights easily and it burns evenly, which is super important to me. I love when a candle burns evenly, and I appreciate that these are soy candles made with good ingredients. You can tell in the way that it burns, and the smell is incredible. I have it here in the Seaside Bluebell. Oh my goodness, I wish you could smell it in this video. It is so incredibly gorgeous. The scent is not too overpowering, but you definitely smell it, which is what I'm looking for in a candle. It is so floral and beautiful, and they have many other options as well, including the red rose that I have here, which is also bright and beautiful. And the inside of the candle, as it burns, reveals a little lovely poem. So it's just a gift that keeps on giving. I'm so impressed with these candles. I love them. They're making my house smell beautiful, and I definitely want to try the other scents. I think that you're going to love this candle, whether you're getting it as a little gift for yourself or for someone that you love. It is really, really beautiful from the packaging to the candle itself. I'm so impressed with it, and I think that you will be too, but that's just my point of view.